traffic jam has me all turned around.
Me too.
Me 3. Which way to Lance's hospital?
Can you help us? Which of these signs shows us the way to the hospital? This one? This one? Or this one? This one? The one with the cross? That's it! Thanks for the help! Come on, Toadhog!
Let's see here. Yes, a little wider, please. Good. Interesting. Oh, very interesting.
What?
He has the hiccups.
I know that. How can I get rid of them?
Well, the truth is, Toadhog, hiccups just have to go away by themselves. But it's nothing to worry about.
Well, that's terrific, but all our traffic lights still have no power. And Toadhog's the only one who can fix it.
Well, unless you know another way to power the lights, you'll just have to wait until Toadhog's hiccups go away.
Another way. That's it. Come here. On, everybody. I have an idea.